I'm going to share the what's new in Angular 17 and the best new features provided by Angular team in the 17. Basically, Google team released the latest version of Angular on November 6, 2023. Basically, it's creating a significant milestone for the front-end development. I noted here this 12 points to cover the great feature of Angular 17. The first one is Angular 17 is a highly anticipated release for the community, bring many new exciting features, update and improvement as well. The new syntax for the control flow in a template, so new nj if switch for case empty end control flow. The basically in earlier 17 we are using if nj if ng switch ng for, but now it's converted to if switch here. Basically ng if basically very similar to the JavaScript. You can see I have added an example here. The if block can display the here. If if a greater than b, then this one here a greater than b, and else if b greater than a, else this. And third one is the deferred loading, deferred partial template. And fourth one is Angular signal APIs provided by Angular team. And fifth one Angular SSR and client hydration. And sixth one is automatic migration to build in control flow. Seventh, build performance and ES build. Seventh is the great feature for the performance improvement. By default, this newly generated commands as standalone, and now we don't have an app module file. If you want to create the app module file, then we need to add some commands at the time of creating the Angular 17 app. See here ng new project name and type the standalone equal to file to get the app module. Otherwise, the file will not create. Basically, some of the developer confused so at the learning time. So remember, this point is very important for the new. Got the new brand logo. Just you can see here, this is the Angular team created the new brand logo, and also created the great content for the Angular lover. See, and the 11 point ng update, update existing application to use Angular 70 using this command. Some 12 is the basically it is the super fast as compared to previous version. This is actually my technical blog. I noted in the detail and many more points and so highlighted here. So for all the details, if you want to learn in the deep, I will share these my technical blog link in the comment box in the video. So please click this technical link to explore all the detail. If you want some other information related to this new versions, please put the comment box and I will prepare for you and revert very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.